Manchumo rigereria ensa neyamo ya bono botuko haseri tukeriga rie sabato ritukuri Jumamosi obotuko bwe 25 na kabere mutenyino wa gatano na rimo mwaka no wechiri bubere 25 ne monche nkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi na gukwandira ndonsi ya sore no gusaba kwa nenga watwara ritukuriya okwego kire nemero birio yagendera sembeo yensoko TV ne chinga kibono ngo kwariga ne tusanga sema yakuru ensoko ensa eyamo akomanyaria ne kiyo kurase chinsemo au kurase studio ya kabere no tore nere Miss F na boigo Kelvin Mogoi konekia amari wine chibicha na chukugochera senchera ere engia mwancho murigeria boigo ngo kunyoria obotuko bwarero asembana ya bene guchakera ensa eyamo nenusu tochiko sanga no mogenito ase studio Horace Gwako oyo hogokora Otenete ABC Head of Research ase ABC eyo mujumbe bwense mu bunge ya Kitutu ya South na bwe wantu abwente kumotwara nere Anthony Bosire uyu nere oteneta mangana yokubwatania ABC mujumbe bwense mu bunge ya Kitutu cha North kurenda ase chisaba bitanya ko bachigo tangeka Anthony Bosire tari konyara ko bakago ikirana kurende Horace Gwako na chigo ikirana tutware nkwana na kumulekera hayo agendraire konekiwa ase ibaga iriyoborai boge siasa kurwase orongo rwagusi kurenda ase boniga emesema yakuru ensoko ensa eyamo achakirbo Karibu sana mwancho murigeria bono botuko bwarero tugochaka no roboti rukubwatia kubwatekana n'echibura buru hecho chanegetigwe abori tukorigoro hasegeti kya Endereti ime ye sub county ya Kenyanya asamatanga yoko mwenya murumu abomo speaker we county ya Kisii Dr. Nyanumba niko bono mujumbe wense mu bunge abo machoge bora bu Mheshimiwa Obadia Barongo ayesokire na kugikeria egekore kyo kyanegetiwe Barongo niko bono hago siro mu governor we county ya Kisii Simbarati ase chibura buru echo na goteba na kubwatekana nere chibura buru echo chikonekiwa Oigo nigo bona mentire goteba buna nigo akomurwania gisiasa kubwatekana no musimamo ye ugotena no muske Fred Matiang'i saganga ya yokoria uborai bwense
nche no mujumbe Obadia Barongo asa matangale nge asa kurukna Endereti omo speaker Nyanumba nko enialenge endugu yae ekere omo sangerikano chaka in the morning musangerikano nigo genda buya mpaka ekere omugavana Simbarati acha guikororo Simba mumanyete igagocha mogi y'abantu ekeraika etimu ya mugavana nigo yachaka kurusia onde bwensi ole supporter ya Barongo korwa aseba ikaransete chitentime abantu bane nigo ba ereganigwa mono sana samatangayo in fact yo minto George Bibao yo kabaire mu MCA na inde mu councilor we wodi yaito yabo Kimonge nigarusi kwororo ase chinguru chinyinge oseliwa Simba atare ko burukana naba supporter bana ariko batiga baikaranse no botohero runa baikaransete mechande yaba yagera etiagasi acha gwako Endereti tiyale gocha kobo nchama tukaya na bere siasa nana koigwe etiagasi egwako etiagasi egwakwa bosongo kakigo cha kolende etiagasi baka Endereti no bosoku bweigoro mono mugabana nigale kolemereria aruli kondo asonde bwensi elinda abantu baminto barwengora aso yo minto Nyanumba abantu baminto rende nonye abantu bane baseliwa chitiagasi chakwa tigante basa machoge mbiamono asengencho mwaremereria mmorende tibosoku ase Nyanumba mwancha onyara kohenia endugu yaye abantu baminto inche esababu ekogera lero nkorwanigwa no mugavana natali nje na chake segie nero chagete na sengincho twangiro muroberio okogenda gotebanga William Ruto nero gwenta ko president yetu
Toska wasio mwanchomo rigereria oyo korigie kerogo kyo baseneta se county ya Nyamira Adams Mocheno nigo wana sabira banyamira baesoki eri babwate bibanda sobonge nabo igo bari bataranyora ebibande byabo bainyore eri ogocha kobyoya wene kiabuna ni gari ngiko yakwana iga ime ya Nyairanga ase bunge ya North Mogirango county ya Nyamira ekerekyo nigo bona ruro koboria gocha ase oburai bwikyamagia Jubilee ngabatware obwasioko asensemeria yokorigia etiquette nigekerekyo buna enjera eyamo yokoirania okoboka ase amate arwa eira yogocha gusira amabati eskuru yoboroso ya Nyairanga
Tikura 2022 Mheshimiwa Tebe abantu aba bangete chikura chigoro ku 737 asigitu kya Nyairanga asaba na siasa bonsi PNC ya Kenya babole tichikura asigitu kya Nyairanga ninche bweka na bwate 95% tinkumanya na kimwakira chinkobi mbuyamona lakini asenale moja mwangosera yakere tuakore study Kenya ngima omugambi ituanyora bukurati nere tangaine Kenya ngima asa abantu batabwate bibanda lero tinda baramba romanyete tinda barwa igaso gwanja walimo tabwate bibanda make sure mwabwatire biba walimo tigere to mugambi jake bibanda genda mubiyoyi egere mubwate ku ekura asengenjo mogoja gutubwate sinababa tebe na musongo onye mubwatiki ekura nekibanda nonye presidential candidate yeto Dr. Fredo Kengo Matiangi nto konyara kumubwatisia bila chikura ntoleamo abagere mahata kile constituency okonyora kila lituko eko registered new voters abantu 50 bochiguru lakini tuga North Mogirango buna registration iri ya herete bantu batigire kubwata chikura bononga irene moja kurusie chimogo twake yobono onye kubwata muamate utarabwate kura make sure kolireki bwatire kura inchetindi gwaka siasa nyingi asingenjo atebe mbate ambaje bateba na musongo oyo matigeronde ina alama sabaito nje muroji ninje bwekandi bono umaje siasa nero ne bwata manganaye onde naja batebye nje natumiru na Matiangi mbolie kirogeki chairman yetu ya Jubilee na irega na kimwe gwateba egocha gukora free and fair nomination mwaigule nende kerengo ligereria ase list ya aspirants ba register na Jubilee ninje bweka ngoborio bo senator under Jubilee Nyamira ngima na register ase Jubilee igo bali bande babunya kubatebya mangana bitakora tiki tai nende kerengo ligereria sengenjo lero twaikira mangana digital opinion poll cha kono Nyamira ngima omuntu otanga ine bonegana 31% igakoro ku Adams Mocheno nonye kerengo boke kemambie muska tebe ekerengo migoko bokoiga na bondo chekiro kya bosena takero kya akoreki yachire mukura bono ni mmoja wogetiga lakini bono asengenjo muangakerete chikura aliege tuo kya Nyairanga chi nyinge nene ngora ateba mole mukono mtupu mlango litukolia Jumaine asengenjo omugambi nakabwate barasa Monday litukolia Jumaine ninjende tamabati agoja kubeke kirama ye kirasi ya kemo Nyairanga primary asengenjo bali barobisi basinyirwe gasi
Tukoskabasio mancho murigari asoro botironde mojumbe bwense mu bunge ya Kiharu Mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro usabire hapa Kenya hukwabera kubwatakana no kubora kwa ya sebunge itko ryo ekura yo wetia omuswada wechiwe sabo mwako yega ya enekiwa AKga ka okwana kurwa se chabisi cha samaga cha KCC hotebire aba Kenya bamwabere hasebo igasabe atebire na chie koraria hasaba Kenya asige kichi kisato chirebosio enchera ara chikoira higitambukiro kya siasa samatukare bosio enkwana yo nigo ya chire chinga kiribera rigendratego kina kubwatakana no gotatoka kwaye na bwigo gotaka kwaye hekura yo muswado yo ya enetigo ya muswado oyo oenegetigwe gwetigwa ase ebunge enene.
I want to take this very first opportunity to apologize to Kenyans for the disappointment I caused them last week during the finance bill vote on Thursday of last week. It is not the way I do things. Nilikosea hapo. It was not abdicating the duty. I've been trying to do as much as possible when it comes to governance in this country, and also especially anything to do with public finances. So whatever happened, I apologize to Kenyans, and we have learned from it to do better and to be better representatives of the people. Now, what happened is that after the conclusion of the second reading on Wednesday, the mover was called upon to reply as it happens. And that is when we actually do the vote of this, after this, the debate of the second reading. And as it happened, the speaker actually then proposed and we voted by acclamation. Unfortunately, or fortunately, we were not tukutosheka watu ambao tulikuwa na maoni tofauti. And we saw it wise that we start up in what is called division. We were 27 of us in the House that day on Wednesday. And as you know, in terms of parliamentary rules, if you are not 30 and above, then you are not called for division. Division is what gives us an opportunity to vote singularly, a person per person, in terms of a single individual vote. So after we were then 27 and the debate was concluded, it was almost obvious where the direction was headed. But I also want to say that I apologize. We could have waited up to the end, even of the third reading, and therefore no amount of explanation, even the one I'm giving, should absolve me of the blame that I ought to have done better, and I wish that I'll be a better representative of the people of Kenya, and especially also through the lesson learned in this whole process. Because it is the kind of Kenya that we would want to have that then would dictate what kind of team do we need to do this job. So I want to plead with Kenyans so that I am not pushed in the situation of the moment as the storm has been ravaging on me. It is too weighty a decision to make, and especially when there is a storm. Not that I don't know what we need to do and who we need to work with, but in terms of the deliverables to the people of Kenya. And I would request so that I do not get into the same ditch I have been into, where I speak and I'm reminded that I was part of a certain team back then. I request Kenyans to give me 3 to 4 weeks to share my views, specific views, on that issue of political formations and the things that we need to do in terms of our Republic of Kenya going forward. I know that is underwhelming because everyone would want me to call the press and just say one thing or the other. But I am convinced, because I have experience of having been on the same path before, I am convinced with time that Kenyans that are giving us this patience will vindicate us and will be vindicated. That the kind of decision that we must make must be far-reaching in terms of what our country needs and where we need to go, and then we then try to see who are these people who would come together to do that job.
Toska kusema njomo waligaria umonagadi webunge enene Mheshimiwa Moses Wetangula negatia baribande kurwa Sorongoro Western Kenya nikobona bagendre nichi campaign chabo chokumwakira heko kumuraibuensi ya Kenya sentunde ya kabire obochole bonne omwaka gocha ekeroboigo ensemeyo eganto kuyarigania gocha kurira oboraibuense mwaka wechirubere 32 kaukwana hase emega hebere yanegetiwe county ya Vihiga na Bungoma itkoria igoro nigobona mo speaker Wetangula abodiri abaruya kwenekya bunango chabaramo na kobeka chikura cyabasige kabwe kemo bose obochole bonene igo chikonya ko baba ko basiri bagari ya yokoira oboraya samatukare bosyo.
Tumesunguka Kenya mzima. Tumeenda kila mahali. Watu wanasema Ruto 2 term. Ukienda hapa kwa mashemeji, kuchukua kipande hakuna masharti, hakuna malipo, hakuna maswali. Ukienda huko hata ukiwa miaka 60 unapewa kipande, unajiandikisha, unajipanga kupiga kura.
Sisi lugha yetu ni chibiri chibiri. Hatutakubali mtu wa opposition kuja kuleta upuzi hapa Vihiga County. Nilikuwa pale Sibuye nikifanya empowerment na nilifurahi na watu wa Emuhaya. Mulitangaza live nyinyi ni tu.
Miaka mingi tumeishi huko upinzani, tumekuwa tukiumia sana, sio? Nani alisema kwamba mtu wa Vihiga hastahili kuwa serikalini? Nani alisema kwamba mtu wa Vihiga inatakana kuwa barabarani kwa maandamano? Nani alisema kwamba mtu wa Vihiga inatakana kuwa narusha mawe? Huu ni wakati wetu wa kuwa ndani ya nini? Ya serikali. Si namna hiyo?
Watu wa Bunyore, watu wa Vihiga, sisi kama jamii tukisimama hapa, na munaona msaidizi wa rais yako hapa, kama Waluya, kama Wateso, kama wa support, wote tukiungana tunasema ya kwamba 2017 sisi tumekumatia vijana wetu watatu. Mmoja anaitwa Musalia Mudavadi, wa pili anaitwa Wetangula, watatu anaitwa nani? Oparanya. 2027 tunataka achukue mmoja akuwe running mate na sisi tuweke hapo kura yetu yote.
Ninataka kusema namna hii. Mimi nataka kushukuru watu wa eneo hili sana, kwa sababu jana mimi niliona there was a lot of peace kwa hii eneo ya Western Kenya na Kenya mzima. Mimi nimeona Wakenya sasa wamegutuka. Ile maneno ya kwenda maneno ya maandamano walikataa, kwa sababu nyinyi mulisema hamtaki kutenganishwa kwa njia yoyote ile. Ile kitu ya maana kwetu ni maendeleo, kwa sababu maendeleo ndio itaweza kubadilisha jamii. Na sisi tukiwaambia tunasema tutam kwa William Ruto, hatusemi tutam bure. Mnajua hatusemi tutam.
Tuskabusio mwancho murigaria mobisoma nena se wizara yobochanu Mary Muthoni niko bono atebire wizara yo niko hegandote gusangiria ebirengerero by'abananchi kwenekia buna nechigwetia richiko elio korenda okoni go gwechisigara ka okwana sensemo ya Mwingi West na se chinga kichoko sanga ebirengerero n'abananchi ya sensemo yo mo PS Muthoni niko bona atebire okugania nkororo kugochenchiwa na kubekwa machikara chiko konya ebigori ebike hane mabechi skuru kwenekia buna ngotango bali kurwaso botumeki wa marioga yo asasa biro kubwatira negati ya baibori egesakuna bege serikali kwenekia esege yo nechigwekerana.
Mimi nikiwa pale kwa Ministry ya Health, kazi yangu ni kutengeneza laws. Na saa hii tukiongea tumetengeneza law ya kufunga hii mambo ya tobacco. Tena tukawaambia kitu ya kwanza, kama mtu anataka kulete tobacco na hizo masigara kutoka nchi ya mbali, kwanza utest na hao watu wa huko. Usilete ukisema only to be sold in Kenya. Tumeweka sheria na tukasema ya kwamba kama ya ukweli unataka kulete hiyo sigara kuiuza hapa Kenya, lazima uandike maandishi hapo kwa Kiswahili na Kizungu na uweke picha hapo, uonyeshane madhara ya hiyo sigara. Hii maduka inawekwa karibu na mashule yenye inauza pombe haramu, sigara haramu, na zinauzwa kama mti hivi, one stick. Hizo DCC tafadhali, you know it is by law, they are not supposed to be near schools. Na pia ningependa kukumbusha wale watu wanauza sigara, haufai kuuza sigara ikiwa one stick, uuze ikiwa packet. Ukiona mtu akienda kununua ikiwa stick, piga simu kwa DCC. Piga simu, kwa sababu huyo ndiye anaenda kuharibu watoto wetu. Hiyo ni maneno pia ningependa tushirikiane sana na kanisa. Tushikane. Kwetu mimi kule mbali Mlima Kirinyaga, mukiona magazeti mnaambiwa watu wa mlima walitoka serikali. Mimi nimetoka wapi? Nimetoka wapi? Mumeona Wamboi, Wanjiko, nani? Sini uongo mnapewa? Let us preach peace. Let us not play politics. Let us speak the truth. Kama William Samoei Ruto amefanya kazi, tuseme amefanya hii ni barabara ama ni shamba? Si ni barabara.
Tukoskabasio manchomo origereria muraibu kiama ya DCP musikiriga Gachagua niko bono arure nkwana yaye kubwatikana no kurobekana kukwayenekiwa rikuri Hamisi AKiga asa mwachiri bitabo byoborendi ase ogotayenekia kopayenekeria abananchi oborendi nabo igwansoko gwasiraria okuurwa busogo cherro gwegati yaba onchoria hanemo na bakuru asorongo rwa Mount Kenya niko bona atebire wizara yoborendi bwa imeyense niko yabegete emeroberio yari gochia kwenekia bunane chikoba wacherra ba onchoria kuru asorongo rwe kendo kirete rwe sokia na gukanya basaya nemo no kuru asenseme yo tiba sokia sokurobekanoko
Peter, sio wiki hii maandamano ilikuwa ya Gen Z. Huyu Ruto na Murkomen walikuwa wamepangia sisi mabaya sana watu ya Mlima Kenya. Na mimi nataka nishukuru watu ya Mlima Kenya. Niliposema iko hatari msiende kwa barabara, mkanisikiza. Nataka niseme asante. Nilipoambia wafanyikazi wasifungue biashara zao, imepangiwa vile zitaharibiwa, wakafuga maduka, nataka niseme asante. Nilipoambia wafanyabiashara waandike vijana walinde mali yao, wakaandika vijana wakalinde mali yao, nataka niseme asante. Nilipoomba watoto wetu wa Gen Z wakae nyumbani, wakanisikiza, nataka niseme asante. Huyu William Ruto na Kipchumba Murkomen walikuwa wamepangia sisi vibaya sana. Walikuwa wamepanga karibu watu 10,000 wauawe hapa Mlimani. Walikuwa wametaka kuharibu biashara zetu zote. Ati ndio sisi tumuinamie, tuinue mkono. Ati ndio jamii niketishe chini, iniambie Rigathi, huyu Ruto atatumaliza kama jamii. Wachana na yeye, aendelee miaka ingine 5. Kwa sababu walikuwa wanataka kuuzia watu wetu uoga. Waue watu ya Mlima Kenya. Waharibu biashara zetu zote. To intimidate the community. To sell fear. So that the community can call me and tell me not to fight William Ruto and to allow him to proceed another 5 years asimalize jamii ya Mlima Kenya. Na hiyo maneno yote, unajua huyu Moses Kuria alikuwa advisor yake ya mambo ya uchumi. Akajifanya ametoka kazi, akabadilishwa kazi. Moses Kuria is the advisor of William Ruto on how to persecute the people of the mountain and force them into submission. Hiyo maneno yote ilipangwa na Moses Kuria, Mwangi Kiojore, na Kimani Ichung'wa, William Ruto, Kithure Kindiki and Kipchumba Murkomen. Na kulikuwa na shida, watu wangu. Mimi nataka nishukuru Mwenyezi Mungu. Aliniongoza vizuri nitoe mwelekeo kwa jamii. Nataka nipongeze maofisa ya polisi ambayo waliniambia siri ya ile maneno tumepangiwa. Nataka nishukuru civil servants, waliniambia ile pesa ilitolewa milioni 200 ya kulipa wahuni ya kuja kuhangaisha jamii ya Mlima Kenya. Na mimi nataka nitoe shukrani kwa watu ya Mlima Kenya ya kwamba wamekubali mimi nikiwaongoza, nikitoa mwelekeo watanifuata. Nataka niseme asante.
Mancho morigereria habo no toika omweria semesa ya maiya kurwa ensoko ensa maso kumanyaria nekio kurwa sechesemo au kurende toskara sengencho egekaigo kirbosio ngoso aturase enkwana yabe no butkobwarero na Chicago kumanya abori tangani ntochigo sangana kumurekera yagendreta seri bagario baraiboge siasa ande mono kurwa sorongoro gu siasa manga berega konekiwa ase amatuko abwangoiga nabego kogendra gokwandra ribaga ria basaya sabara bange babere bakomochukwa bagutwara abasaya babere baguturbania higati yemiroberio naboigo orongoro gusi kerogenda kuyarigana bosio bobochori obonene abarai babere bayesokire kwenekia bunankorie bare oborai bwense bose ekerogo kyoborai bwense igo gendra gosangana into birangari byagase namba ito esimi nabo igase mitandao itasegeka egekeo kerbosio baswande no mogeni one ase studio tunyarkoba tugosanga amange toskare.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bw'umugusi.
Omukubiro neritwo abayigenwa abange kurwa chikansa bakumirana na komotogia omonene wetira amatera amansu ibibungo nabigo amarandia imegata seni Nensoko TV tuchikumirana keraritwo rya Jumapili jakira chinsa 12 chamambia weka chinsa inye zinyare komotogia munguru nabigo komoterera nanche Diana Ndemo imegata seni Nensoko TV.
Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi. Ni Mungu ametenda, ni Mungu ametenda, sio mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, hivi nilivyo mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi.
Onye kubwateri iborio obosemia gusekero kende gyonsigoro yemerobiri yaitu Nensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri ukuri email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com Boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutuka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Nensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi. Nuganete betri oratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kiyeriberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe chanika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asingi chao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru.
Tutakupitia pale kwa gari yako, tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakeresimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Obulimira bw'essiro ly'obunda bwenze kulende tali nchira ndio sura krobulimi obiyoke enyore libaga lya bene kwaegwa megelyo chisemi nobosemia egero y'obulimi bwekerero n'ekikolinga
ase obolimi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ng'ombe bune yengiya
Gaya konyana eyinsimegete nterangete amaraba ekonete konya kukina yo kamaraba konya kuyona nganya kwa mabuya
beka chibuti imokyo bokombe to semogondo bweli nebisumwime na Pathwell Machine
kile sukuri ya Jumaine chinsa ni bere chamuragoba weka chinsa isato asomurobere oboremi nobotugi ekero turesemia mange kura saberemi chini gongoro kwa Pathwell Machine
asomurobere boboremi nobotugi ime Nensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ugaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tutatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Mrna nabali b'Chinguru irikwe manyabo na wataka kuchitana nyachense. Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke na kikosi kiamesa ya mangana majia. Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Karibu sana mwanchomo rigereria ase ensemeiga yenkwane yabene hobotuko bwarero na Chicago kumanya se studio ntwaro berete gucho gutwara abageni babera se studio Anthony Bosire kurwase yabisyo mujumbe nsemo bunge ketutu cha North na boigo Ores Gwako kurwase yabisya head of research ensemo yabisyo mujumbe wensemo bunge ketutu cha South Jones chigotoka se county ya Kisii kolenda se chisababu tanyar koba chigo tangeka Anthony Bosire tanyar tikoba kago ikrana se studio kolende nyasaye bwanchire mheshimiwa Gwako Ores Onyore ribagari go ikrana se studio asangena into amange utkobwara na Chicago kumanyani go tugucha kumurikira amange ayo arengete obokoreri hebwo oboraibwa gesia sana boigo kerorogongo bagusiro gante kuyarigane bosyo bobochori obonne na ari arengete na koroto tabosari aetanaine orogongoro. Karibu sana Ores kwa class studio ege kakiara chire tsara na boko mukwani omwancho murigere no mugusi toraswase nkwani tubutkobwara
itangani bia mono Clinton so kongini bege ase studio yinu na ruwe kanisa na tewe kankirani na watu invited cheno mwanole mintayo Antonio Bosire kunakoroka na angoboa talinga the Navy go vile sometimes I take a lot of what facts na bosoko bo kole se jonya ko
na sabari bagote baitsa babutanya ko bachiko tangeka ta konyara wikirana
metigo na rutaka ni to tenga ngango chala lakini kare ngona huris onge wake bete lakini anyway to discuss magana come here to discuss individuals
Karibu sana. Ngaki emeroberia gendeta se ya bisia go bokoreri bwago se nsemo yo gwikirania bokoreri bunge ya Kitutu Church na wote na kioga ndata mukonyo mheshimiwa gwikirania bokoreri bwaya.
Kitutu Church South.
Kitutu Church South
so for mujume na gendeta kolegasi kolengana mna promise ya bantu bae before bamwakire chikura 2022 project nechi nyingi given time I can mention them na ndi nagenderete nyogo kutubwati umutandao sana na bokorora na tugoja tuwa post project echagete negenderete kagirite before chikura chiakwe okanyora manifesto y'umujumbe usamagani alia promise y'abana inchi onyekera ni tuonse yeah
igemeroberio negenda tonto chiko sanga mange tumanye aya mwikirande gwikira bonika kurende tiga turasoa se aya gendrire amatuko abwango iga abasai babere bakomochigwanga bangere ko turbani meroberio ya gesiasa buna inumurange nabaraya baiga bage siasa bamochigwe nambe yamo asensemo ya ino mubwate gente kiya chire gekorokunga gunizima baraibange korogusiba mochandiria sengenchonga ino bwate gunisicha gugunisicha ebikore bya beri bikwene kone bari tukuri barondo aro chasemo yegore ngasensemo yebunge abo machoge burabu ekalcheiga yabasai bangire gwesoke guturba nimeroberio ya gesiasa ngakira yekwandra andamano kurwa sorongorwa gusinense ya Kenya
itangani umuntu gutumike chigun as I told you twale nago kwa niskali itangani gun is someone who is being recruited by a terrorist to cause havoc umuntu gutumika chigun no muntu ororire ngango chikobwale chikura from there now that person starts reasoning using muscles and not brains kero ligereri mekutana yabede gusi so far sabanda ba UDA na broad based at large muntu teyo nyako despite bale minority yesengenjo se support ya gusiaro without fear of contradiction matiange gwate ground yake nesana muntu teyo nyako ru matiange support ya matiange and I say ni associates bagenda guturubani mukutano UDA lakini kwanyora kere mukutano ole bantu bamatiangi babangete barororo kwanyora ngo mundu nawe karansa asigete otomire chigun tingo manya suno bosoko bakoranga ngo babale embarrassed but that culture has trended because some people are being recruited because of some little coins coming from our taxes because serikali ya Ruto ya to ibere bobesana kwanyora mundu iro bese kama 500 igankeyo ochire guturubanyo mukutano nabantu baito na barabutamine jenga kinga bono nyese tari korumanga bono ndaire muntara ile nzali ochonyeta chekuru mukere igoro ebete gwonjokera ne temegwe defend muna igore gento kialinge machoge that's so frustrating ordeal ditangani alina matanga alenge na roja balenge so organized ekanisero orora abantu abakristo bagotera biebie kidogo the LMP was not there. I'm not defending him because I don't come from that constituency, but what I observed in social media kidogo governor gacha mna naro chikrip mnachete abantu bangia ko seru korunchira abande bakwa makomo go chimuino gali yani agocha na fujo korokinga kinga na injeni indo medo mondo go buy royalty and go buy some recognition that's a coward from there abantu nende mbanya komisi baroba nyoro montera otenga one time ingwete nwense giya chakiriti nolyo kiribwe go trend social media okoreranya gitari ngwete ne rwagito muntu likomo oli gushaute one time abantu nende bakamonjokera na baroba bakamwengeria ngorai wono igende kya gunism nye serikali ya Kenya take an initiative to control these goons as time goes by naba na inchi ngoritarie baronyole twa Kenya ya chira sabe ya chira ya very like Haiti style so for me I don't support goonism I support democracy abantu baendetebe oyogosoke gwasoki
na keroga teba ngo subscribe ore ne chingwana chio mugavana kerate betenga obere kago tebanga onye bunanje Clinton nae Horace ndorigo merge in terms of ideas ngingo cha koria so mukutano go ngoro choro mo chega sengencho onye tingudi kwanja na birengere byago mugavana batebanga bari batari kwanjira na birengere byae mbaro bago cha chega se emekutano yago nabo igo chinkwana buna whatever democracy omujumbe wense mu ibunge ya Kitutu Church South asia bisia ya so kore mirimo na tebanga bari bakwenekie biga ko ba chira bare ase oyomo chinkwana bune chiga as we head to an intense election come 2027 umwaka wocha akioro chiri kuchikobe korongo rwagusi asobomo unity to gana tabate ababomo bumugusi
maybe maybe it was taken out of context lakini litangani first of all no one has the monopoly of goonism and the violence to go changwa Clinton nande ko maida semete mbento go cheto ko boleza ngwari kumboli troch abantu abachiguni echi they are by ruomotu so far okonyora they are working with the government to be honest because we are not kids we are grown ups enough to make clear observations abantu abakonyora kwanza okonyora abasigari bali maega batangaine nabasigari mbabwati any powers because we usually hear them saying that it's order from the above konyora these goons are fronting to cause mayhem and to terrorize people wono konyora bana inchi na barongi bakora gote wikomanya wewe ndo nyale abasigari bali bachire ngyakolero no embone mnandika na banyo naro igweto bororo naki uresi okwanire buya oso okwanire base side yae onyora nje bono ninja kale kugonya guchimutu ali guchiabu nango taraika ngana njatete gokoraki on silence to maybe injuring me ose on tebinga kito kwana muntu ndebobe we are in a democratic country where we have the right to criticize, the right to support at our own base. Yeah, igo ekwende yenkwanira oyo maso ememinete aki abandaba ntoba manyeti. They are not new to us. It's either they change or nabarabo bakoleki. It's eye to eye, eye for the eye.
Ase ko bachera unenkwana yo mweshimiwa kibagende yale goteba no ko bachera bairwe kolengana neri chikolensi ya Kenya buse now that nabarabo mba
ko neri chikoliko bwatu asengenjo ana the Bill of Rights onde teyo bonerete gokoraki go urusi go bugima bwaye neri chikoliko bwatu kunya basigale basokire ko babwata abana inji na bako babwata bayire pakase ekigamberukere yeah so that nabaro wao boya banda bambanya naki nya basikali mbele gutubwata abana inji na bakora ki bako babwata we have so community policy no chire bali batagete Kenya genderere yeah it's not about engabono no moro muntu ndakira koleke lakini sometimes again you know we cannot control supporters naboko nyora tubwato mukuta like next week we have Linda Mwananchi and supporting widows and widowers in our constituency Kitutu Church South. Inchenka gerete na ndebunang bwato semeli ondeta basta ko imagine nganache ko turubani mukutano uli. Trochi asengenjo bunobo cheke. Nabura nyole umujumbe ro monyene usenentwa supporters bali bari cross nere ntundo bwati kerengere likebe. Koroda kwanyoro mu nanchi uli karanstali ogechirigu nga wachire ko musalio mukutana onyoro muntu korumire busa ikabona ko balitani ko teye muntu imagine tyo turubone mukutano oli ka kiatige ani atige kerengereri kyage tupete age tugutirare nto koro mukutano ito no morembe
abuno tware gocha asengencho mukutano igano bwente kwene kiwa ejume ya elete kolende hemerobiri karatene na abange liroberi asogete kuru asobo mubori wa Linda Mwananchi nga baruri bagase abasaye bari basiretie amagimabo yamati ababasana bayibori bayiri bagari okubarera korende ntoro kibarai bange egati yabo umujumbogo bagwesokya korokya obamo anene mono ingikererete ugoterene kwa komoroberi ori nande ingikyagera to gaskibo siasa nja bange bayo kanyerete ejuma yairete korende tebeti
in the program yalenge yaboneta kwa baya igoro on Friday. Yes, get to go to next week on 3rd. Yokwana na maskani yabana baliba minto baite to during 24 on 24th June 2004 and 2024. It's an agreement made as principals and the organizers of Linda Mwananchi bakate abasuke chimutu tura nabana barabona barwa maskani to balire it was an whole day like and indeed it was an whole day and kereto tanga it's about total shutdown the minute inga na nimpara do kutamba gena total shutdown the minute inga vera nyomba tulia tulera abana ba which most of the people did
ase ensema ya barabali na Mwananchi bange mbaro kanetingi kiabete
you know
Sinja maswali atoke iringa abara ya baganga ibenge kibatini na wananchi.
You know, litangani ngwarara no ela Muisonde. Jubilee chairman Mheshimiwa the former member of parliament West Mugrango Kemosi. Bachite nyomba bakamubuata. Allegations wa nga nero organize maandamano which was indeed to intimidate him. Nanya korra kimusika ku imagine even no korono siasa Nyamira mbanya ko ruwana usibantu baminyoka niye samatanga like. Abagambia abantu they were there in terms of maybe supporting these people ko batenga into no toram because the moment bala go soka kios watu nini njela go soka kios igara nyora abantu bakomyoka because there are some people who were to mix with these genuine supporters bange gufanda raise ibintu byabantu bange kuibira abantu bange kuruta abasigari amagena. From there we find that abantu bande abange bakoreke bakule. So sometimes what I say is a source of power, and that's part of using wisdom as far as this political season is concerned. Balugo soka abantu abange balugo because the government was determined babusyomo cheso getenga protection onyore bakoreke baitira abantu aba
bare tuno muchanto taraska bosyo
ekiguni kyabu kiroro
taraska bosyo asenkwana yo itinerary ye umuroberio next week no nyoko privy to information akigo chikoba na ande ase ensemo okorwa se bonge akitudu cha South Miroberi kigo cha kwane kiwa so that yetu egankorengie gochikobwatira ni Kisii na Nyamira.
Litangani itangani nago tebi kwende basing on the poster ya sogete. It's about empowering ababuraka na batakanwa. Iga litukale Monarch Mosochu. Uchakira saa 3 to around saa 5. From there they will be arriving in Kisii town, Keroka. The third step, basing on the principles how they will agree, they will communicate to the common citizen. Papateng kaina toko merana. Singe jumere varandi njiri ya the ideologies. And obviously, rende ntomaitenga Ruto must go.
Abuno toko swasenge jo etotebe ase timu wale bono yi korwa sorongoro gusi yoko musira Dr. Fred Matiang'i abange babere ba kopa mochianga keroro ngoro gusi rogante ko yari gane gusyo bachorio bone number 1 bo momboyo korwa ase abarai number 2 etimi moske Fred Matiang'i tera oroki gesongo bagote ba charisma like a presidential candidate, presidential campaign teraba that active. Koro from your perspective nga kiura tumanyemero video ye team eri how serious it is nande going forward matumaini naro
meto monto goteba nga ngeti manga Matiang'i tari serious about presidency. You know monto tabu ati what we call principles in politics. Saying your lady kiro monto na ba no Egypt na metena ki kusine ngome ya Matia na Matiang'i na bone to kuliki chikura isiku trochi arosia basani isiku ndo babninga kilia nyacha atu atetenga watu wengi for people watu wengi toko chikura chiu waku tukanyora chikule chire gusiyo yok Matiang'i bone gaba Mount Kenya they have impressed him solidly. They are offering a popular support full of solid credentials. Western Matiang'i kwa rabuna kalbisho bia kuria Matiang'i no again bono Matiang'i tumutagiti gusi sengenjo already gusi chikuranchiro trochi chiaye Matiang'i tumutume Turukana agende Mombasa agende Wajir agende Tana River aligie kura so that amuntu ngo expect ya kuwa nga Matiang'i tari serious no muntu kuruisiko lakini tonyoro muntu inyomba ime wotenga kinga nga Matiang'i tari otegete mundade Matiang'i ajikoliki chukura matarasi to gali sure that to maitenga mwana muntu tigagende Kenya nene abantu bande bako complaining nga there is no unity. Sometimes there's some expectations people usually have in politics. Nga kerena tende political rally usina tende political meeting. Of course, we understand a meeting without food and money should be done on WhatsApp. Lakini mna tendioro expecting aki kankona kangumu kutano no buango mbekero kanta M-Pesa ndipa madeni anembo ate isiko gali maybe asina chiti chumchi anagali. Yeah, about Obomo, some people usually complain about Obomo mboyo gusi. Itangani Umar Clinton siasa tebu ati invitation card. Correct? Nye no reso ko boli chikura ntebe nko boli ndi chikura tini ko boli lakini ntebe nko boli inde lakini kani mboli ningo no manya narorire mukutano orasigite turoji usinarorire posta mukutano orasigite and I'm subscribing to ideologies of that meeting. I will not wait someone to invite me. I will go there nchenjangiere abantu bane barore nakoletek nalengo because politics about investment. Wala muntu takoro simbo basi yakobolie kwende otsebo so MCA attend mukutano Kisii town abantu berwete bago support Matiang'i, and then from that meeting expect umuntu kubuli chikura bo ninibo machoge ngakoleki ngamosera ira nebo basi kwarara and then kubukiro kubuli chikura ngwe choge to gutira baye choge to buli chikura because we are in a capitalist state whereby we find that the ownership this ownership of everything as far as economy is concerned. Toko kaninga ndu si bintu bya namubuko inkoenga nkobolo chikuralia baba singa nyale bo support nyotonyo le tikongya ko eminje kuti muinonga nga boda bantu mbali ama ya teliko baiko ya teliko
abara imbaramo na sangire negati yabarai haigase egikaro nkwana yabene tuamurikira mange abange mbaroro tindati gote aberu sirioro baigete nchira bagateba nga some complaint efforts yabo nchiri ko recognized abande bagateba nga bloggers mbaro ba country gote inti abande una chimolds una amatuko abwangoiga okay ntori go discuss personality korende mosene tomo chore glory oruba na tebetenga asensemo ye camp ya Matiang'i the secretariat the advisors como fail bare terribly go subscribe ora se chaide chinga mushima Matiang'i na bara twale kerenge dikerekia kurende the circle around him teri como konya in terms of good advice strategy na we go secretary en como failure sa
Clinton ngoso matole buku umugambi king ya ku Gideon kerale kwendensiki abwate so many soldiers, a lot of soldiers wale goes around 10,000 lakini within the way nyasaga te Gideon abantu aba soldiers yobwate mbaba abange ndoje mbakoleta victory mbakoleta bobui ntage to punguza abantu baka baike libuta around 3,000 around 3,000 nkiogo kora oyo ora enda roje ai mukina maje no monu anyalete bakasa takeire. That's someone who qualifies to be a soldier who will lead to victory. Ababande that's a case study na kwa roki troje esabali ngobere ntambi troje na ntari bonse para koleki barayikoro batwebo ubugwi abantu bande bakweminja nga secretary mete bagotenga anahena when it wants to eat these young ones, first of all it accuses them to smell like goats linde biriere nge nalia singichibia kamnembo mnembori abantu what excuses ngan maybe ngan naikali nga tin better recognized bia those are attention seekers which is necessary in politics na bona siasa bone trochi muntu egetekere mu egetekia minyo kia rusuru number 6 kia letter number 2 number 1 trochi umayami agutunguza kuchimbaya tonguza kuchimbaya nga ngia sinaroro na nyengere gwegetika ngongerete one direct and ntura ikantura kore race those people who are complaining about others, they are not friends, political friends, because a good friend usually corrects you privately, but it defends you in public. In a very good complain, abun bali nago tebi soldiers who are weak in the book when God instructed Gideon to bring brave soldiers who will bring victory.
Igo asensemo yokoria asechinkwana chiago gokeyo mubaroiga bwa ababwatani abaiga. Is there a criteria busembara bawe kanchira bae usanani bose okurusiwa kwa base team nkoro?
No, the okurusiwa team. I have never seen anyone out there nga nyarebe soka lakini in politics you have to be consistent. To korki ngore muina so wakongya wakora comparison in public whatever nga esaide ya muino ga yetokuruani ngechogete utubua ideas chiao togo chireta kermoro mukutano otebe this what we are supposed to do for us to obtain these people other than now what to petroi to be ngana bandu kete pata bwati mocho mochoko siasa iko chesu kesa kwa Clinton ni kubisa nambosa aivera moinoga atomanya ngakibira dealing with what a political opponent. They cannot call them enemies because we tuangaini we are competing. Aivera moinoga aivera osugu moro proper na into sugu mega proper to kombe no spadai.
Yani asenjire ende mondo ta wero robago.
Robago rori ndo hiyo. Alafu na ninyo mondo ndenaro tanjeti toko tanga nyarebe na rogera na ruase wororia aseti mi amatiani. Korora okonyoru mondo akombe secretariat yet this person, the same person who is complaining, has a contact from Matiang'i, has a direct link na communication na bako gamba nera one on one ta ko motebi ebintu ebi biyonsi elinde mukwende to manyana kito wonchoreli. Other than now gwenda gwa in public, and then you call yourself to be a serious supporter. Then that's lying.
Tikatoske wose to kwandre engane igayende kurwa sorongorwa gusi nasenye nchama ngana to kumurekera siasa chirengete orongorwa gusi apano gari to bwate mbabere bonsi bagekire na bagaka bonsi baete bakoreire bimira na bagaka bagusi orongorwa gusi going forward ngakibono rogutwara abano gari from where you sit ngomono
gari ni ngoyo minute bono njema ete Matiang'i nere ko bule president and we cannot have two kingpins at a time.
Na kingo ko bori bona enjira yogo the criteria yoko ikera bona monogeri bo mugusi asenga ncho bonsi onye nama goka bagaka ba
para binu ngonango litagale wote ngonango
umweshima Matiang'i ntwara abagaka bako ene kemero beri abogari I think not mogirango yaenge umweshima Simbarati nere abagaka mba mwetoko bako chinga kichamaega na yaro beri gakora ringa nere no monogeri bo mugusi bono kero siasa chikana te kuiroberia ahead of 2027
litangani nali kwa mention because mo wa mention je Matiang'i maite because whatever for me I don't like discussing personalities ngia kono kalitangani ngia kono gasinge julitanga tumetena ki we ne governor ya Kisii what if a governor Nyamira nera te nje no monogeli because those are people na bokoligereria sabaga ate nje no monogeli into muntu mete Matiang'i ko president okobika bagusiamu atwe political direction just like we find that initially the Luo brothers they used to have Raila Amolo Odinga as their kingpin who used to speak on their behalf before they propelled him to the national level. Abakamba mbabwate Kalonzo Musyoka ole principal obere ka ba como propel igoro since 2007. Because they have been having Uhuru, they used to have Kibaki, kwanza Kenyatta agacha Kibaki, Uhuru Kibaki agacha Uhuru Kenyatta rikatika rigijia kabwa terror. Na into mugusi the first kingpin we had oli mbantu bagatekere Nyachae rende tugache tukora twale vacuum since 2007 to 2022. Abagusi baka identify omuntu nero rakoreki oraba bagaine ligorali. Ora tukanyora Matiang'i na kibono turatenga ntubwatenga monogeri ogwabudu tunata umuntu lina yamo wagolio ya sokoro idukuruga rubagero kuruga Oburu Odinga tunataka okombo sasi magochiali igobone tuikire national ni ebintu bire national gai tugwetira omuntu uyu wateba tuenda so Oburu Odinga tomanya gocha tukomenya ebintu igora apana we cannot have two kingpins etubwata omuntu oyo mwe ku Fred Okengo Matiang'i even you you have been encouraged yora no morally. You usually observe even social media na abante ground mnabale. Matiang'i gocha gusi abante bakurno emugundo bati akora ibintu byabo bachikorora omwana obo without using money, without using guns. Togonte umuntu ne kingpin echigoita abante kenyoro mali bobachoge. Oya ndairanda gari ekanise ekwera njirabuga ani omuntu akobata kumo. Okay, initially used to see how they used to terrorize one another in South Mogirango, no more Jumbo Soro. Bale matanga iga abantu bamyoka nchibande. Is that a kingpin we want? Even sometimes to mix siasa alafu na jokes zingine zira unnecessary. Anyway, even the bagote anga bali bamaite na bata maite bonse na banyasai, but that person is not a kingpin. We have only one kingpin called Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Yeah.
Tiga toske bose bono to kwandre aiga abange babere bakomochia abarai bari ase Matiang'i abange batebirenga iko batarrete egoti okoba yo kuerigeria kam 2027 tingo kuboria asenge nchapara ibandra kinti kuboria asenge yo mojumbo go
boria na mongwerane
asenge njonega tia bari bate bigunga nkama gendrota iyo lakini bagendrete go minyoke mwishimwa Matiang'i asichabari chaye bebiro bokoreri bwabonka ande bate bigunga 2027 nkokubare mbaro bari bakoba okoboko bakobate binga inu nturendete ngongo gaiga inugenda tara no mugako yiga kurende gaiga nturendete sinyo mojumbo kitu jaje sawa
tangani mondo keraotanga nga gendo nkerakoro mubuli ngentuki because meta have been observing since mweshimiwa asweto obisi ebintebia asengenjere tari go support ruto ebintebie kwanyora chisangwanye chinde chire UDA chigoshiti nebinto byaito. Sometimes I usually ask myself indie constituency ito ya ruo ikagenda asibali inje ne para mheshimiwa has been stating categorically muna sweto obisi akatebanga sawa ndire gera sweto obisi na nyote some projects chiriba already chiwate budget like e para ya liotoigo ekogenda raganga yagenda gucheralia uchigonga umujumbe akasuguma because kero mujumba in power lazima sukume ibintu bya bikolekane eramye kabikwa alafu epale koru initially Jimmy narosti para Jimmy angwenyo note akarosi pale erami kurumarani akanyekire boundary igoro noje boundary igoro nyagisai igoro ititirogorali nyagisai igoro Clinton
nyawa pale na nerere to mochanda
igwa ngerese because no you takero jana kyobo asinge jara ku world facts yago nyora wa kachibando pale ibine kai ku asinge jara nge boundary igoro because like an MC ta koru Kitutu Central achara osibinto aralia Kitutu kisi Central osomu umujumba ru Kitutu South achikoro osibinto aralia bonjali
and by 100
Yes by 100 lakini na bako monta tena ki budget ne yane kwani chipale chelera asarueta achikorosio bandi mujumba agasuguma because already they were budgeted agasuguma epale kamanya korwaralia koruga bunyagisai igakora gocharalia nyakoe sawa ndura kana oyurugoro nena kolet nasugumite ibintu byanyorete birenjira truch muna kurugesieka era minjale ngororo kurugesieka bakaralia bakagabwa se mbuni kiosik ega connect epale connect ku chimarani yaenda gochigesieka alafu yende amanya gocha nyakoe e junction gate kuruga abnera agasuguma akoroki agaikerio lakini asenge njaro munyandamwa nandate goteke credit anyotenga nero rosirie para kurunyagisai gocharalia njira kioranyole because that's a road and to make a road eco connect so many places we cannot say that a para like when kertogo soma toga some primary social studies so GHC a para the longest road we have in Africa Great North Road all the way from South Africa yama ya kwanda bakaralia baenda baka Egypt ndo batebanga muntu oye chagete kuru moino ga South Africa ngai the same person oye korete bakaralia baka Egypt a road has networks and this, an individual cannot take credit because igaba sawo kwa natali boye
bone of contention nga yegocha noyo mogo konyo yonde kolobi bose noyo mogo konyo yonde go ebisoero byo kolobi asenge nchoyo mwari noyo
bose nabarai na ndikero muntu namete na kolobi turoje kero muntu namete na kolobi amagenderai unabono iga eparanga ngende ko ya chageti ya comment muisondi I think we have seen those in the clips and photos ya nyabururu eteria nyasani paranere kwenda gochi kwenda ko connect gochi kiole lakini tiri kwenda kiole gochesa kurunga soko mchinga a loop ya mewaswa lia nyasani ya soma toke ya sokera nyamataro troche manyamne yungo kore korosu umayoro li sajali nene ligo teno kalitena kinga kero yonda chete senya koyo senkwenda lina sabit yet umheshimiwa has been saying that this road will be under what construction kereru president ya chete nyakoya osi ria chete nyora katato amwe president ya chete Kitutu jaje South in Cardinal Tunga kera chete Cardinal Tunga umujumbe singeje constituency ya umujumba gatebe epale kuruiranda ya nyakoya ya so akioge yagenda guchimatongo ya connect and ya so ya connect gucheralia guchiraganga ya so aguchipo kusero ime akanyisaba kakatatu nande rutaga nyakoya president ando mwishimiwa akoraki ekaba budgeted by then ikawetebanga kinechecha echake bono ige ngabona singi dari yaro kanire nga parna veraro si kwa manya kanyora baka no aspirant oraba utama itidingi no imerangu yichi obisi yichi para ka ye na kiekorokana oko yake kubanga inga nindi tu asabite pale oko sabe para it's something which was discussed long time ago when mheshimiwa they were in Kakamega apa si one spiritas era tebete pale njandite yoka ne yuralia abantu bali rabangi ne yikuru nyatieko yacha iranda yasonya koe yasoenjere ya kyogi yasoa matongo ya connect ku Chipogusero igobono ke gukuru rera nakonyo bona magendro ngobol na Clinton because you asked me so na raja because when it comes to construction of infrastructures one get this stall building which is being constructed at Nyambera stall building ya goroba iko chigo soka re classic
iyo abange bamochire bagotebanga budget ya berige kubeku lakini teyo tinkone ngiwata ne gukama nere installed daraja mbili ya secondary but ntareba epara nere nande egotebakananga umujumbe namo nasinye tuko ya sabati meti no mugabano sabete boseningo kurunya mataro echesoke gesa eso egestare tirimuke kanyimbo esoke gekogende guchi iranda. Is it true no mheshimiwa Kolobia magendra igane katia yande ose is it true nga barabo batari no mheshimiwa Matiang'i abara ibande buna kwate banga chi aspirant chinde asenge njupa esokire by the way bagoteba barabo ba kwandra magendra igagendra
itaga ni Clinton gavana na kiara robie bintu bye mujumbe yeti kabwate bintu bya sa gavana le CMCA abwenete kurobi kuno turo chirende buno bungainere just to lu abantu bali bataraba informed kwa vuru liswali igoro ya abantu bako complain about na tebiri nyambira negendrete go stall building negendrete we usually post photos and clips negendrete a progress itangani abantu nakingegen kebe kiri kirasikete igetara e budget raketara ko that's a proposal ogotana ke abantu batena kwende the committee usually sits down ya tebanga ekwende project yeli this amount of money ebonta koraki koira ere proposed because CDF unego operate menta bande bakobwanga ne chinjugura nyole njera obeke mubuko nyakulia yemeya mugunjira kogenda there's a CDF board here in Nairobi Bunge Tower around the Bunge Towers they usually sit analyzing a project what amount of money neke maeneve kwende project na kole kwene ne irichi message bamanya wa approve alafu for money to come out ntubwate quantity surveyors we county ntubwate be sub county level bagocha baligiriri a project na kiegenderete use contract near site so that va likansenga negenderete until completion. That's when the fund manager of a constituency to the national government no yitaka rukimtai or approve ikaranzane board ya CDF approve a project for a contract to be paid abantu bande bakubangane ngokwenda kwa kiriki gamna milk ATM amabere itika kuchinsa yukwabeka kwanyunjira kwenda that's a lie na ndine chi opponent bao akini mbataramanya singenjo sometimes na bagotanga nabokurusyo munte kinyoro imera kinto kurusyo kinyoro bongo bwayi no kutamanya it is not being informed yeah alafu ne project yako nyoro munta tenga ninchi naro bit mete bidombire nkora for example in Bonchari constituency I'm sorry to say I don't come from there but I usually observe in social media okonyole mne airport ya Suneka it was being proposed denga kwende airport ojero ko se chindege tige chindege airstrip kero mondo ko boli chikura abantu just plan the 32 kero mondo ata ninje na kale ninje na rombete to an extent bakor kinga no even the incumbent member of parliament kendo ge yakora akora igoboro na mangana yecho akini siasa because politics is being derived from the word power and power is ability to achieve the desired ends whereby everyone wants to shine lakini abana inji mbama iteke manenga this thing happened under the reign under the regime of this person as a leader
ne krotoga ntako murekera sengencho okoba baraiba mochiwe nga ba ene kiri sabari yepira magendro umurobiri noro enge ense mujumbo gogo ko beka chiskuru ngaki fencing chiskuru sofa
nandome kwende chiskuru ndikwa chi priorities chabo rochi napokwenda kwa bori skuru si management ya skuru bagotebinga into school yetu when we check about the compound siswira okay gendo tabwati ne birasi trochi gosento bwate birasi bira na bokorire birasi mbiroro lakini embego itaba abana nando konyori school yebwa tobole moboke korora nandi togo sali birasi ebi byonsi onge kwa gacha bia simply means that ngai school yekera asiku kwanza under a certain period for the construction of those classrooms kwanyora ngane birasi bakoreke batagete biarosigwa kwanyore school nda wate abantu eshida tobwate na match like in Iranda eba tebete ntuntu bwate enough classes again tabwati administration yeito nera basa balimu abanene bakobera nera tabwati Iranda primary ega constructive ani ekaba innovated via ekaba so modern like alaba kati ambabu ati match bakakunyerwe kesima which is serving the school and the community tukagenda matieko mujumba kanyaba e community kamotebi ni school kamotebi into tabwati nama na some schools like Soko watetenga into the offensive school because being close to the road and Liotero being close to the road emechando tobwate na bana bakoraki bago sinik during class time bono to offensive school troch mwishimwa to buy the gendering abeka instructor abantu ba CDF the ba draft BQ fund manager iko survey iko roro ba fancy school. It's not all schools they are supposed to do what be fenced. When you school na St. Mary's Mosa a boarding school, or St. Mary's Nyabururu that's a public boarding school, but we already ba college ba what fence school kale. Yeah, not every school. Like in there is a plan also other schools which are requesting to be fenced. Mheshimiwa na college na fence whereby okojora even again kwanya na ndicho jwa tanaki ngangi yako fence le school kwani ni abana baitu ne babiri chingoko abana baitu forgetting security comes first to these students mbi abanyora asinchira geiteka baba sokera so that these kids can be protected. Yeah.
Mancho mulgeri atoganite gusanga hagaiga Horace gwako kumurekera mangana gendrete ase oburaiwa gesiasa kurwa sorongorwa gusi na ndemona ase bunge akurwa ya Kitutu Church South ntuchikogorera chisimi ase njondo china bange bagwa kane chujumbe chago 0788 mweri obeke isato kero turigeche uchiago ikirania enkwana itobot kubara tianko borereke mheshimiwa Kibagendi orokandre obwa matebwa n'aba MCA mbora babuya ntwaro je chingakete bakongusana no mu MCA obugisero amatukabwanga ntwaro je bakongusana no mu MCA Kitutu Central obwa matebwa mujumbe ogo n'aba MCA koriye goikirana bakora senga njaba igababere batabwataneti in as much as mbabwate separation of powers lakini ngotakire batwara obomo nari bako nyara ko babu identify priorities cy'abananchi na kiyo bwa matebole nabaraya bagaba MC asinga ncabange be murunganite sana
itakani chigodire ngatubwate Kitutu South ya 5 wards we have Bogusero tubwate Bogeka Nyakoya Nyatieko na Kitutu Central we mention litangani me sometimes mbando bale victim of circumstance konyoro borayo mbaroro konyora no ani tagu ani no tema como goki tagoka because some of them they are entitled maitena ki jene MCA uno you whatever you Bogusero atagete at the same time maybe usabiro sine project ya constituency level singenja bugetenga gano ebintu bira singenje county level umuntu ago support rando siekire ebintu ago kule rando baruka ba at the same time otebirunga te kunyalekana because there is a procedure for tendering oigo bororo ongya oteba konyora na ba school na be korosi kumuna school raganga ya rost kusobal erosi review mujumba rosti staff room vizuri administration block Kenya rosti via and the same time wendo mobilize community inga mujumbe tarakorake at the same time the same person who was inciting the community against the teachers kere school ya raganga ya koletek ya wetensi alafu from there kwanyora oburukanirie zelio mujumbe mpaka twevoli na ki school we mujumbe okorire side ya ne bwate infrastructure abana monspi bakanyore basari bako mujumba gatebanga umwana oraganga taseli guchinga ebasari bakonye bakwe bonspi anda gateba bali bago so form 1 ororo ebago soma busa turuj at least school etu araba kwanyora bono muraye MCA ya Bogusero nakibona akoro eliyetaro mai
mheshimiwa abuga
na ngoma chikomoyo na bakoro kuboyo wanyoro insight a community against the teachers, reducing the morale of teachers to teach these students. Ikono muntu mutakorega asiani already anda abwate low self esteem na intelligence quotient yayo kurukwa iki kwa machere kwa market to an extent ikano no more on social media no morai sawa njomete ni kuiranire mnada kwa ni just yo njitini ku njitini mu MCA tro justindi joliriandi akini ero murigere no ekera kubori guri swarenga anike pale elie kurua sikete na sikete tarakore kwen au kuirana libuna au gotokania abwate chindo buturoji so there is no way like that person can work no bantu kwa tobongo because you cannot mix the water with ink yeah aba MCA bende they are working well whatever MCA whatever central it is all political ideologies whereby ori turojere simbara tiabwate na Ruto na mheshimiwa Kibende kabwate Matiang'i Troch. Well, I've no battery not about development wise because they should work hand in hand and they have been working before with him.
Tikato kwane asengencho ase wodi okurungorengi nyapae. Omurubiro nore mugavana bwe county ya Kisii abeka akagoria egatie biragita bigenda takwane kemerubiri au ase wodi yago bikire.
Njibito mtonya ko birora. Ntuto ko birora so yimtoko rabitu bigwa kuchibicha basi buitangare tuabirora mabu ba centro tali botanga ba centro no nkora chibicha chiwa within the highway into my korokana
mwemzi obotari ko bibwati bose
mede simbarati no mundo kotaka keep other leaders hostage so that they can worship him. Erebona singenjo nga MCA na abantu by the it's like the entire population like 93% even those people are opposing MCA ito ndo kurunya kwa ebale Matiang'i troche no nyemboge kana ogenda pogusi aspirants yabange balara into Matiang'i troche bono kwanya rango yo ita singenjo na tange na front because the one who is elected already oliaga teba ngatingo korakende nyako I'm not expecting Zimbara to kanyole chikuru nyako eno neye kero muntu ramo support then le nabwata asinjo le dintranya ora gente osenera ni modem ndabwenta okora sinjo abantu abange mbamwakire chikura from that area you cannot sacrifice the entire people asinjo yo muntu
osenera ni modem bitaraika
raini te yale anyway mpiatoro rango ndo basa okwana yonyole akire tikale ndo toka yakira sinyo travel bakabona yiga jeno jera iniali eroteyo no muntu concentrate asisi yegene chiguni
ngobwata tore chisimi chago mwanchumo rigeria korenda se rivo rio mweri ofores kwako siasa charongo rwagusi kerogo kwandra account ya Nyamira ne ya Kisii kam 2027 abange batebirenga ekerogo kyo governor na kikego chagiatwara influencer ndamano yoko ane kyanga county ngukwane ne rio gerimo ngoberamo 2027 yoba chori bo governor bwaro kantanga mbubwato mongusake both Nyamira na Kisii na kiora kwandre county chibere tinko nyara go discuss about Nyamira sana singi Nyamira tali onkuru lakini nje nkora litanga ni siasa ya Nyamira ni bwato morembake singi abantu bali ba aspirants basikaine like kera nanya kora so far ngora aligeri ni Kabent Nyaribo kora ande Walter Chanua Timothy Bosire na bali ba Jerusha Mumanyi nanya kora bit exchange na koleta chikun aseme kutano uitana no matusi despite kero monto na Jerusha era rutare roche na bande Chanua and the rest of Timothy Bosire they aligned to Matiang'i nanya kora bakoruana igesi asero ninga tinko manya osene libwa tabanta banene mete ndina tebanga monto monne ndiogo monto monna rondi yogo intunto baba saire nengo kibora ine tukanto baba gaka osene litora be twakongire fiti monto bakemba bwate no makidogo like our governor okorokana let me say that he's trying to be an old but he has refused to grow singenjo obu governor wa Kisii county we attract we have Machogu Ezekiel ntobwate magara ngoboya
ntubwate Richard Onyonga, but they have the one team and they have agreed that they are going to produce one candidate for us to sanitize Kisii County. Na Simbarat from Broad-Based, Diane from UDA, kuma UDA that's no ODM. Abantu mbale bane. Na siasa yese bugavana nere bwate it's like ne bwate chinguru sana. Na ndabantu ngo it's like a dual dieting. And siasa ito bugavana Kisii County ya vere ebwate tension nyingi. Ebwate tension nyingi whereby bakabande bamanyirenga they have to use guns for them to excel or to succeed, but which cannot work. Asinge abantu bali amukiri na bagusi baito mbanje tugwitira manyinga.
Asa baiga batatu batara choro mase bonega ngoko koboko.
Njenomo supporter turi kwa ramso chimi. Njenomo moshe. Njenomo machoko.
Tutara bwata jisi mega asenga njonoje nabange babwata amabori asore. Abasai kuruase orongoro usintebe. Abange babere bakwa mochinga mogotme kubobe. Kurenda abange babere bagoteba ngantura baga we exercise our rights. Torera abange bago switch allegiance. Abange bamochiwe nga ayaye kwetu envelope brown kwetu mosori ngeti wasegete. Siasa chagusi naba sai kurogusia barokire ganga yoko enekia gosira barai na boro korokire ganga yokora babere bako make their decision timate independently was influenced kurenda abange bamochiwe nga ayengi wachiretega ayengi utaraskera.
Me abasae ntobwate new ideas mnatura in case musae wo bwato bongo, because sometimes we cannot sacrifice youths basing on an individual who is young who has misbehaved like the governor. Abasae mbabwato amaroro na ndembabwate chinguru na ndembabwate ideas chingia as far as the leadership is concerned. Shida me temna to kina basaye bange mbararo sibinte birende ko bibwatero na domaite usinero kero kubolichikro bikoliye change ejo basaye abange batakoletik batabwati. Some of them keraba achire basoira sekero batete kolikuriye kero gutaka bale ku airline whereby kwanyaran babwate chain at least yokuba sponsored kwanyora so kwabwati mwina kwanyosene kandi kwale kubwati nerengwe tumali kivyake aranyolikia ekiaya kwanyora basaye abange bakweminja bagote abanga korokana gabo kimambo tumumurana ara naboli it's not atari kurukuru Kisii County na akoru side ya bugusero lakini na omogere akoboli chikura bugusero is my friend kamuboli nga na kisiasa gendred na kiwebange takandi ya njentete koboli yanda UDA nge guchibe chibes and already erate apura genda pi metenga ara ewe change toro chia wini case abu chino nyo cha mutigarire erakore achakero bogi bona basaya bange talibange abasaya bange bali barorere ngamba bintu byebiruye ngamba bwati akuminyo ko chigale akora nganjira teyo otenga tiante mwino ga usininge wakabe akabe ekina kiko musa abantu abange talibanto bange abasaya bange yeah
na asama around 24 hours aba itukirimo saberega morara ke baso trend sana anto como kwandra sengencho negatia basaya bara ya basaya ba orokirenga mbatagite kora oso kwa asa siasa chagusi nga kichigonjo redi baga ya basaya aso wori ko so siasa sengencho trend sana nga ore tiribere ase county ya Nyamira na azmasa chuwata as much as what siasa cha Nyamira tochina timona lakini tende entry ya siasa chagusi ili baga kiriko kinya ogare wa basaya.
Tangani Marara used to be my colleague, not my colleague, my comrade, KU, because when he joined the first year, I was School of Law, not School of Education. No more aggressive sana, because I recall vividly, like the third year, into the fourth year, he was joining second year. Ntua katuwalere organization ya bagusi, tuwatebanga kinkiokero kiokobole. Chingateba nabali mungotenenera. I want to be a congressman, School of Education, which I was elected successfully, and I thank God and the comrades at large. There was the school ya Bogita, there was the school ya Morara, there was the school ya Mike Kebasu, and there was the aba murabande bagatura irego tinga kina kitoko ligichukura aba azadatunga abo Boniface Osongo. Murano mumro lenge so aggressive era tete no president ko ganda igoro direct. Njitagani ngarabu bro ata president na kiyo chakwa. Ata na bwa ko bolande yenta ndenya to the barrot but rende singinjo kabireje chinde chikaba chikanya ko discuss na kintu kituko gamberu na second year. Vaga bamwakire trakinto abagusinto akoreke ndo amwakire. Nikono mumro bereka wetoma. Buna chagete Vampire Diaries chia ko vasi ko kwenda serikali. I was encouraging him. Then I gendera and could be consistent. Buna tebangu wole chukura borabu. For me, I wish him all the best. I cannot think when you discuss siasa ya Boromo because I'm not conversant with it. I wish him all the best. Yeah, nere kurwa wetu mabantu bako amwa bamwakire. Nyasaya nere tikamo obongaini nobosemi araba.
Mwancho murigeria tikabana tose ko rigeria ebirengeri byabo ase chidaika chinke gerinde tokodre omoroberio oito tomoiri bagomogeni twanyara koba gakorwa ase studio oyagote banga boire Clinton Cleophas korwa ngoingwa estate thika agote banga nabwatetie omoroberio enkwana ya bene engia kegima mbia mono Cleophas ase ogosangana intokorwa ase ensemeyo tikabana turagwata chisimi igaiga tuigwe birengerio biga tia bananchi. Hello Nsoko TV. Hello Nsoko TV. Waire ngo to gosangana karibu sana.
Ngoro kwabere.
Aberi karibu sana kurunsema keje.
Kurunsema ya Muhoroni.
Bidibori ya gasomo gene ito studio.
Ona karango jikobori ngoteba igano maite siasero. Siasa ne nkongu ikiagera. Omongwana ile ngotebi siasa ne nkongu. Na ne babwene te gotebi matiangi. Na kiabwene ko kwebange kiagera noroche ngaki no eno mugakoria nyachate bete na abanga barabange. Abantu abarabanga bange mono rakini wone gaika soma ete kore no materia beke matianya bo makamavu ahoro kamavu kwa sababu mate matianya n'abantu bamurangire bona munekere bamurangire tigo nabwene te ko kibuka kamavu arigereria abantu bande omongwano yoreze kirogo korukuru totaira isigo muna murengerere kinja engeze
bimono haberia sekerengeri kiago tigatoigo wenga kiago teba. Hello Nsoko TV.
Rindo.
Waire karibu sana.
Waire weya.
Waire no otro no mogenia ase studio.
Amore no mogenia onyo. Uyone kamati kwana koli weli eteli.
Kamati karibu sana.
Ane samba mawawa. Eka undi ya Nyamira. Ogenda ile kurwa mangana mayaro. Lakini wone yendo yo kumeti yo mugusi kumeti. Abwasendo yo mongo. Eliete liwara bago na gotengera matiani no mugusio murangeretie gose no mukenya. Onyo mukenya umurangeretie. Tamanye tenki ara gokora na ende gari ku murangeria semere muyaye yakorete ikagera bakabaka munyuranga aise gocha bo yo bo president na konyeze. Bono inki baro bago na goteba ngabande mbaro batalere chigoti mbara tigabatigera abana inki yo talere tigatalere bakoko bakajisogi sikyon. Lakini omo Kenya nero koruchikura. Ntoro cha baro bisi bintu bakolire ntoro cha batage to bisi kibago chigokora. Nyamira tiyana kobeka chiguni chichikurwani abantu amatanga. Omusacha nara umugaso orwane ti abantu amatanga. Bono obugambi era bwaye karo omusacha ikyakorwanira abantu bakyagosyarira bakebira bakabana kitiyagani. Onye basikali mbale ngasa amatanga alinga yetiyagati alenge aso omusacha oli naronye bwade.
Kamati ya urekerengeri gago hagotebanga matiangi nabagusi bamurangereti gose n'abakenya.
Matiangi n'abakenya bamurangereti. Basing nega sia korete kiralenge from the Ministry for ICT, Education, the Interior. Keraba Kenya mbayigete like 2024 abakenya mbaligete bagate bagaki ngoraba konye. They called Matiangi atika sia World Bank agacha kuitikia wito ya common mwana ntari bagusiba murangire sauti itu teri nene mono wika tubwatirane na community chinde muna babwatiranete akamurangire lakini wono gocho pime strategy propaganda ya serikali ya Ruto ebagotebanga matiangi tari kubuli litanga ni betu kuita bandomo omoyo rajua propaganda is a source of power in politics na ndo muntu tanarete utarabeti siasa mono na bara subscribe to it amara batebanga nga matieng bamubekere binte binge ngayala bakandira ale kubule mungu na gitenga mutebe abana bakwete 2024 ntundo bamaete by name na ndo maete sobo na mongo teutis Alex Masai yo nyarebe ukwete na mongo abantu baro bali published babuli yale yo gukwanera unde nare kinyoro onyago tebango monto itura tokete yala so that abantu bana ona makumbusho no one yani ni strategy gete yo kumurama kumu intimidate ngelinda kwa mabati matianya tebeterenga bakete beime lazima afike kwa debe and we are going to support him, we are going to offer popular support to him not only as a Kisi but as a Kenyans at large.
Whatever propaganda is a
source of power. A source of propaganda is a source of power. Yeah.
Tukatuba tebele chomo ile kwa karatogo chikokora. Hello Nsoko TV.
Mr. Grendos.
Waile karibu sana.
Waile manga.
No otore waile.
Waile mwana hiyo.
Ama iga manga ikire.
Okay.
Mungwana ino apurwa se bunge yemo jamu urunga na yale usuru.
Ayo yakorwa ya kitutu chache sawa taso mheshimiwa Kibage ndiye akorwa.
Oh. Ono njinga naye ko mwana hiyo ka. Mujibana morondo jinga mbianya ugande. Ndi anaendelea kwini kale chama abantu bana ati. Muntu uri akwani kya kwa kuna atiyo. Babu yuko ko tuma kumukirya ko tumatiyaye. Mugusinya zaikiko no uriya. Babu jo como tewo kende yo sia tengo emberesa. Ya mugusiyo. Bana era tamanyire tika ko tenera no está ruirna.
Nabage karengerkia tukatubate eyo mwari ogaiga. Hello Nsoko TV.
Hello Clinton na Magani.
Waire karibu sana ngoto sangana.
Isa Kenya Magani ya musega tonto. Manale kopangesa Magani ya mangana kwande na maya. Na wakaro kana ale inform kia sa mangana ale maka. Na wana wazira mangana avu na akara bagusiba batabanga ngokobe spokesman ya bagusiba manya kobe ke gabana babe kano yo taeto kobe ekero kia president Kenya ukibekire uyanga umuntu okobe spokesman ya bagusi no umuntu okubwata ni county chionsi aliyo kurwa singo county ngamanya ko spokesman ya bagusi iko kebekire uyanga kandi ya kabere abantu baito bagusi na indutiga bono toje tumanyanga akare chance ya tokire ndoje sana chance ekogera umumura matianga korire binte binana and abantu understand and for true aisokoye guta chance abagusi bon speed nani masi pesa ko behind matianga na into toje kogenda kuten negotiating table kogera onekara tokonya ko bachimbara igo tobeka ngaiga bagusi ntora machua kogera tokonya bataya baitonga no matter how iga to rally behind matiang to NCP konya abande bakonya batabanga ya tiganda kamengombe tiganda koleke bono lende kibagoitira abantu onye ko kamengombe inclusion isina temba sikobera iguru mono mugoita abantu mukuba misa mubakobe kuchugwodi monda kilomoro bone yiko kusiasa yechinda mwamu ende ijibisa kubinde bitabuati ibisa kubinde byanjaine na ende bagangira negendo bakagiaja sobo onye yanyali kana nendo tangira no bugambi rwa matiangi akatubanyole gusi gotora abaina position yengia unaona
mbemano gago rure ekerengeri kiae watebirenga timeti ngate abo kama kurende dikerenge dikya
rura nduma ito yo kama
numo kama
ata kimondo ka kamera kunywa mabera ngire ndago tuitira bali to kunyo turungi ya gakigabana gakitiga kameruto no morembe nande ntunduri kuburi ntunduri kuburi bobe kera toko mote kama no morembe ta ko yutiri sukari atanganira roiko oge ago totomera chiguni chitogo sere bosa go bono de wika I don't know the kind of advisors he has tinko manyose mete chi advisors na bore karanse as a leader onyo chi advisors chiko surround there like Adolf Hitler in history. Adolf Hitler used to be the chancellor for Germany during the Second World War, whereby a currency advisor was to Montokurunga Goebbels, who was the minister for propaganda. When you see Barati chini ya maji na hapo hata even the chief of staff ya guns ngorega chini ya maji tutamanyiti which is Italy constitution Italy under kidi ando konyoro gwate more powers than even those people who we think that they are serving us. Say jo kosi dobe this the matanga liko na matanga 49 asali igo moikakana kunanda barali oika mokeme gente without fear of contradiction oika mokeme asingenjo me dendrora tebenga ingokwa no sengo mkondra bale bose onyole mono mosuko no moirio go wakiru proper bosa igale innocent people are the ones who usually serve.
Tikatoi kire enkwana ito ga gonkweri bagase edagika yago yo mwerio huru enkwana yago yo mwerio mbya mona soko ira chinga kicha gusangana intwe na kobuko mu kwandro mu gusino mwanchu murigeria kero rongo rwa gusiro gante kweri ne busio bobo chorio bonne asoko boyo konne korenga umurembo ene kiwa umugusio minto nande tigangire bageri kubakera ngambya mona soko tegerera asamali tamuna acha gukwana ngorukunga Horace mugaka wako siteri nyakwe kitu cha South which is under Mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi. Mugusio mindongo batebi ngalitangani ndubwato buraimotu ane tubwato mwana mindoko kumatiangi oyo prove guko ba wakira na various ministries and he has been trusted with the higher responsibility which is presidency. Over popular support to him and abana baitu baliye kigoliye register as voters so that Matiang'i can have enough numbers so that they can bargain with other communities for him to propel this to propel as a united opposition leader. And I pray so that God can give us a gift of life and atue chinguru koranga Matiang'i ogambire asanti and ntara kodra okwana tigangire familia ne kunyakira ngambia mano mwako minto Christopher wako mugaka my mom Karen wako and my other mom, Rose Wako, my brothers, Macarius, Godfrey, John Cyrus, my sisters Paris, Priscilla Milka, and my wife Edna. Go back, be a mononade, be a monasoko together. Memano, Manchumo, Rigaria, Sokova, Naintwe, be a mono, Horace Guaco, Ago Chinga Kichigo token about Quantrum Jumba, Motevia Chasange, Navancho,
Gutakaro, Chinsa, Nemero, Kobe Menge, but get the Bakacha Kega, so that he can put more emphasis concerning what he has done within our constituency. Lakin Lende, Abanto Mandabagocha, Valvaco constituency, ito, Patevinga, Akia, Bacolibana Saiba, get the Kebag, Yamabuton, Sipi, Akipate, Baba, remember back at 2032. You could be to Baba, remember, Lakini, Babuate democracy, our way of participate in 2027.
Mbia mano, tutara kwa rango manigwa kwa kwenye ororo kandra sembe ni Samuel Suguta kurwa Murang'a agosabanga mwanyagetinge tungane pamoja tuone Matiang'i ameongoza hii Kenya hapa mlima wanasema Matiang'i tosha buna hore sate ba ensemo ya Mount Kenya ba embrace Mheshimiwa Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Peter Mariera.
No, yo say to Kurunya Kisai. Oh, brother Felix Mariera.
Peter Mariera for
Kevin Mariera.
I want to say hi to Horace, a very good man indeed. No, yo nkawada.
No, yo Kisai say to na bando banka. Na chukuro chake wakadichoka.
Mbemano Peter, agenda ko rendensi.
Matiang'i.
Agenda ko rendensi nyo na machogu na Matiang'i. Mbona atere kurwa. Mwancho murigeri anotoika omwera senkwana yaito kideka ndo che chitikaretenke igo ichiga chitararaga chinsa isatonso ase studio akaberengi arigania asengenjo ikoraga chinsa isatobot kobwarero tuchie kuomera na gusanga semesa ya maiya korwa ensoko chinsa isatomogene tukatomweri bagasoke inanya ko bagaku arigania agotimoka ase emerobiri kobwateri tkoria ankyo na boigo chigosani chiganda tetimu ya World Cup by the
France nje France ebwata Africa bangi
France mwabera bange studio mora chemo ngengere
ege kombe kana otureire egaki
tumera na sembe omwanchu murigeno